Are you craving for that restaurant style or dhaba style sambar? Hey everyone, it's Mercy Rebecca and I'm welcoming you to my channel TADKA. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this iconic recipe that is a typical South Indian sambar. So friends, when are you going to try this? Do let me know your suggestions in the comment section below.
TADKA by Mercy Rebecca.
To begin with, let's cook the dal first. Take 1 cup of split pigeon peas or Toor dal which are washed and soaked for half an hour. Now add 2 cups of water, quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and cook it until soft or until 3 whistles. Make sure the dal is extra soft. Now place a frying pan over low heat and add 1 big stick of cinnamon or dalchin and 5 to 7 cloves and nearly 15 peppercorns and 2 cardamoms or elaichi. Now add jeera or cumin seeds. Then add chana dal or which is called Bengal gram. Now add dry red chillies, methi or fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, black gram or urad dal all at a time. So now roast them until you get the roasted aroma of all these spices. Remember not to over roast it, it takes just 3 minutes. Remember the color of the spices should not change. Now I am adding 1 big size roughly chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of oil and fry it till it's slightly cooked and looks transparent in color. Remember not to overcook or deep fry the onions. We need just transparent onions. Now add 1 big size roughly chopped tomato and saute it for 2 minutes or until the tomatoes are slightly cooked. Trust me, have it with idli. It is super tasty and you are going to lick your fingers. Friends, if you really like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really motivates me to create more such videos. Here goes 1 sprig of curry leaves, 5 garlic cloves, big chunks of half-inch piece of ginger. No need to chop them finely as we are going to blend them. Remember not to overcook them else you won't get that delightful taste in your sambar. Saute for a minute. Now it's time to add quarter teaspoon of hing and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once again fry it till it's slightly cooked or for a minute or 2. Then switch off the flame. Let it cool down completely and then grind it to get a smooth paste. And here you will have to add 1.5 tablespoon of desiccated coconut powder or copra. And here goes the secret ingredient, that is 1 tablespoon of washed raw rice. Yes, it not only adds a silky texture but also adds that extra taste to the sambar. Now our sambar masala paste is ready. Now it's time to do the last part of doing sambar. Place a deep bottom saucepan on the heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm really sorry I missed the video clip here. You will have to add mustard seeds, cumin or jeera seeds, curry leaves, green chilies for tempering and big chunks of onions. Well, you can substitute it with shallots. Saute for a minute and you will love that crunchy bites while having the sambar. And now it's time to add the vegetables. Add roughly chopped pieces of carrot. Here you can add any vegetables of your choice and personal liking. You can add pumpkin, beans, bottle gourd, lady's finger or brinjal. But remember, drumsticks are must. I couldn't get it from the market so I'm not adding it. Now add 1 chopped tomato and toss it for a minute or until the raw smell has gone. Now add the previously prepared sambar masala paste and fry it for a minute or so stirring occasionally. Now add tamarind juice. To prepare the tamarind juice, you will have to wash and soak a lemon-sized tamarind pulp in some hot water, squeeze and extract the juice. Let the vegetables get cooked for a minute in the tamarind juice and stir it occasionally to avoid burning at the bottom. Now quickly add some water to avoid burning. It's time to add the mashed dal, which we have pressure cooked, and add some more water and adjust the consistency as you like. Also add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of jaggery and give a good mix. If you're planning for a lazy day, then you can add this for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now it's time to cover it with a lid and let it boil so that all the ingredients ooze out the flavors, the sambar. Voila, here we go, our delicious finger-licking sambar is ready to serve. It is so appetizing. Hey, don't forget to check my next video on how to make that perfect soft idlis with some secret ingredients. Please try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like the video, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new videos. For more such recipes, check my other videos. We'll meet you in the next video. It's time to say bye, stay healthy, have a good day.